guys, it's Elman12123
and Dango DOS.
and today our video will be about how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I hope you guys enjoy and have a good Thanksgiving.
I will be starting the white part. Elman will end the white part. I'll do the yellow and he'll do the rest.
And we'll have the algorithms how to solve the cube as we go.
Here we go.
Okay guys, Dango will be mixing it up. Then, here we go. Yeah, to solve the white, it's pretty easy. You just have to line them up with the same colors. So Dang will do half the white, then I'll do the other half. Now I'm going to solve the other half. There's no algorithms to this part. Oh crap, messed up here. And at the end, it should look like this. Dango will be solving the yellow. Dango can put the algorithms slowly, so I'll be showing you guys the algorithms for the yellow. So make sure you have it lined up with the green like this and the orange with one square. So the algorithms are right, up, right reverse, up, right, up, right reverse. Then sometimes if it just keeps going so long, I just pair it up with the green. So I go right, up, right reverse, up, right, up, right reverse. Then you do it again. Right, up, right reverse, up, right, up, right reverse. And you just keep doing it. Then you got it. Rest, you might have it like this, but it's okay if you don't. You just have to do the algorithm here twice. So the algorithm is right reverse, forward, right reverse, then you turn it, back, reverse, right, front reverse, right, back, reverse, right, back reverse. Then you just turn it. Then you guys have solved it. Then if we get at least 10 likes, we'll be showing you guys how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, like the video, and see you next time.